We see clients who are in crisis, basically. They haven't got the wherewithal to fund their weekly shop. They come to us with a voucher that's been issued to them by one of our agencies, such as the Citizens Advice Bureau, the Red Cross, the Job Centre. They bring the voucher, we hand the voucher to the picking team, who have a picking list which tells them exactly how many of which item to pick, whether it's a single person, a couple or a family. And whilst that's happening, we invite the client to come and sit down with us and have a cup of tea, because we feel it's very important to give them the opportunity to talk about themselves within a non-judgmental environment. Particularly if you are single and if you're homeless, you do not necessarily speak to another human being in the course of 24 hours. So it is very important for them to be able to come and feel that they can talk to us within a social environment as well. We have a help yourself tray with toiletries in it, so toothpaste, toothbrushes, shampoo, shower gel, shaving gel and so on, because if you can't afford to feed yourself, you can't afford toiletries. We also have another help yourself tray in which we have items which are coming close to their use-by date, or perhaps items that aren't featured on our picking lists. Even though none of us are experts, we do have a fairly good working knowledge of places that can help them in the local area. So, for example, for refugees and asylum seekers, there is a very good association in Peterborough which offers ESOL classes, friendship groups, women's groups and so on. There is a club which is specifically for men and is Man's Club, which is a space where men can go and talk about any mental health problems they might have. We have a handout which we can give them, which lists a number of places where they can get advice on financial matters, money, debt and so on. It is very sad that in these days, in this day and age, that we should need something like a food bank. It is the way it is, and I think we all do our little bit, don't we? And together we do make a difference, I think.